Hello everyone, welcome back to TechShams. Is your iPhone camera showing a black screen, crashing, freezing, or not opening after the latest iOS 27 update? Don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through the most effective solutions. Make sure you watch until the end because one of these fixes should get your camera working again. So let's get it started. The first one is start the camera app. First, close the camera app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and remove the camera app from the recent apps screen. Now open the camera app again. Try switching between photo, video, portrait, and selfie mode. Sometimes simply changing camera modes can help the app recover from a temporary software glitch. And the next one is clean the camera and remove accessories. Next, clean both the front and back camera lenses with a soft microfiber cloth. If you are using a camera lens protector or a thick phone case, remove it temporarily. Some accessories can interfere with autofocus or even cause camera problems. After removing them, test the camera again. And the third one is check your iPhone storage. Now let's make sure your iPhone has enough free storage. Open setting and here just tap on general, then tap iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, delete unused apps, lost videos or unnecessary files to free up space. If you have any third-party camera apps that you no longer use, you can remove those as well. Low storage can sometimes cause the camera app to stop working properly. And method 4 is check if your iPhone is overheating. If your iPhone feels unusually hot, let it cool down for a while before using the camera again. When an iPhone overheats, iOS may temporarily disable the camera to protect the hardware. Also, avoid using demanding apps like games while your iPhone is charging, as this can make it heat up even more. And the fifth one is test the camera AI in another app. Next, open another app that uses the camera, such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, or Snapchat. Try opening the camera there. If the camera works in those apps but not in the camera app, the issue is likely software related. If it doesn't work anywhere, continue to the next step. And the sixth one is reset all settings. Open setting and just tap on general. And here scroll down and select transfer or reset iPhone. And here tap on reset. Then choose reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, apps or personal data. It only resets system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, privacy settings and other preferences. After your iPhone starts, open the camera up again and check if it is working normally. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to TechShams, and I will see you in the next video.